Hello, my name is Nigel, and I'm excited to introduce myself as one of your newest coworker reporters for 2026, and I can't wait to show you what goes on beyond these big blue walls. This month is a special month as we celebrate Women's History Month, a time to recognize women and their amazing contributions not only to the success of IKEA, but to our communities as well. Follow along as we talk to my coworkers Gloria Rodriguez and Catherine Delmone to learn more about why Women's History Month is so important, how it affects the way that we work at IKEA, and why the theme of Celebrate Your Space is important to them.
Women's History Month, to me, shows how far we've come, because I've been through a lot and I've seen a lot of women's history. Working at IKEA, I feel like those values of equality, inclusion, diversity bring all of us together and make all of us feel empowered. The way that I come to IKEA is to support my coworkers in taking that from me, that feeling of empowerment, that feeling of value in my job, and spreading it to my coworkers and helping them feel empowered as well.
Gloria Rodriguez has been with the company for over 5 years now, where she helps out customers in home textiles. But before wearing a yellow uniform, she actually used to wear a military uniform as she joined the Army back in 1975, where she served in the Women's Army Corps and National Guard for over 11 years.
Women's History Month is important to celebrate, not just for American women, but women with different backgrounds, such as my Mexican heritage and as a Chicana. Historically, there weren't a lot of jobs open to women, such as when I was in the Army. But at IKEA, I have the chance to advance, to share my ideas, and make an inclusive space for everyone.
I challenge you, the viewer, to thank all the amazing women in your lives. Thank your coworkers, your mothers, your daughters, your sisters, because at the end of the day, they deserve it. I just want to say thank you guys for tuning in. This is Nigel signing out from the 0374. Hope to see you guys in the next episode.